Good afternoon, guys. Joe Baker, Trade Pilot. Just want to make you aware of what I'm seeing in the marketplace. I told you I'd keep you up to date, and I'm doing the best I can. What is taking place? And I just want, before I even start, I don't like making predictions. I think it hurts your trading. If somebody's a bear, they're always on the bear side. They're going to get run over. If somebody's a bull, they're always on the bull side. They're going to get run over. Try to stay neutral. Just try to have an unbiased opinion when you trade. Opinions are great. However, in the marketplace, they can hurt you. So, against my better judgment, to even do this slide, but I'm aware of it, and I have to let you know it's out there. A Hindenburg Omen. For all you guys out there, please just Google it so you have a better understanding of it. I believe Safe Haven keeps a chart. I'll be putting that up in a moment of all the Hindenburg omens and what they mean and how it works. But I'll go over briefly. A Hindenburg omen is it's a major divergence within the market itself, and we have a 77% chance of a 5% decline within the next 41 days. That's what the Hindenburg omen is. We have a 77% chance of a 5% or greater in the next 41 days. It brings us out to November 27th, I believe. Right now, in order to trigger, we have to have two Hindenburg omens take place on a daily basis, which we've had as of yesterday. I just want to make you aware of it. I don't typically trade off these things. Here is a chart from when all the Hindenburg omens have taken place. To ignore that would be silly. And if you guys are long term, you're out there in 401ks, I don't think you should be going and selling that, or just if you're diversified, that'll be fine because there's always going to be stocks going up. Again, you could hear the reluctancy in my voice to even put this out there, but I want to make you aware of what the Hindenburg Omen is because they have worked in the past. I have actually traded off them, and it's been okay. Got to be stronger on the shorter side than you are on the long side. So I just want to go over briefly what the criteria is. If you can't read this, I'll read it out for you. I don't like to not tell everybody what I'm seeing. The traditional definition of a Hindenburg omen has 5 criteria. That the daily number of New York Stock Exchange new 52-week highs and the daily number of new 52-week lows must both be greater than 2.2% of the total NYSE issues traded that day, and that the smaller of the number is greater than 79. That the NYSE 10-week moving average is rising. However, the McClellan oscillator is negative on the same day. That's where the major divergence comes in. And that the 52-week highs cannot be more than twice the new 52-week lows. However, it's fine for the new 52-week lows to be more than double the new 52-week highs. This condition is absolutely mandatory. Again, this has taken place twice within a 3-day period. We can get a rally, and we have rallied in Hindenburg Omen periods. We could rally for the next 5 days. We could rally because typically they come in when the market is under some sort of stress where we have risen as we have. We've come off the lows and you get divergence. So this, coming back up, retesting the highs, 14, I believe I did a chart the other night. I believe it would be 14,184 on the daily cash. I think would negate this whole scenario. Just so you know, technically what I did on my own, 14,184 would be the number that would negate it. Until then, we are in this period. We have 41 days to see a 5% or more decline. Again, guys, against my better judgment, I'm doing this, but again, I don't want to let you know it's not out there, and it is good reading. It's it's kind of interesting to see the sell-offs that have taken place. So just go ahead and Google that for your own, for your own knowledge, and it's just something kind of neat. And take care. I just want to let you know what I'm seeing in the market. I will be doing more and more slides on our technicals. I've just been very busy lately, and I'll get to those as soon as you can. They will be available for commercial use within the next probably 3 to 4 weeks. Take care, guys.